Hey, today we're going to look at the plusnet technicolor modem, router. My one seems not to be working very well, as do many other people have the same problem, so I decided to fix it, and here's what you'll need. You'll need one of these screwdrivers, crosshead, and a small flat screwdriver as well. I've taken off one of the feet. There's a screw here, and there'll also be one under here. If for some reason you haven't got these tools, what you can do instead is use one of these. And there we go, fixed.